Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about some problems in permutations and combinations. I have already explained the concept of permutations and combinations with some problems in my previous video. The video link is given in the description. Let's see the remaining problems. In how many different ways can the letters of the word optical OPTICAL be arranged so that the vowels always come together? Here the condition is that the vowels always come together. So the word optical contains 7 different letters. When the vowel OIA are always together, so they can be supposed to form one letter. Then we have to arrange the letters as consonants plus vowels. Here consonant is PTCL and vowels are OIA. Now 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial is equal to 120 ways. Because 4 consonants plus 1, so 5 factorial is equivalent to 120 ways. The vowels can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial is equivalent to 6 ways. So the required number of ways is equivalent to 120 into 6 is equivalent to 720. Next question is that in how many different ways can the letters of the word mathematics be arranged so that the vowels always come together? This sum is also same as in the question number 6. So here the condition is also that the vowels always come together. In the word mathematics, we treat the vowels A, E, A, I as one letter. Thus, we have M, T, H, M, T, C, S are the consonants and A, E, A, I are the vowels. Now, we have to arrange 8 letters out of which M occurs twice and T occurs twice and the rest are different. So, number of ways of arranging these letters is equivalent to 8 factorial divided by M twice and T twice implies 2 factorial into 2 factorial is equivalent to 10,080. Now, the vowels A, E, A, I has 4 letters in which A occurs 2 times and the rest are different. So the number of ways of arranging these letters is equivalent to totally 4 letters and out of which A occurs 2 times. So 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial is equivalent to 12. So the required number of words is equal to 10,080 into 12 is equivalent to 1,20,960. Next question is that in how many ways can a group of 5 men and 2 women be made out of a total of 7 men and 3 women? Required number of ways is equivalent to out of 7 men we have to choose 5 men and out of 3 women we have to choose 2 women. So 7C5 into 3C2 is equivalent to 63. After some simplification we get. Next question is that a box contains 2 white balls, 3 black balls and 4 red balls. In how many ways can 3 balls be drawn from the box if at least 1 black ball is to be included in the draw? We have the combinations 1 black and 2 non-black, or 2 black and 1 non-black, or 3 black. Out of 3 black balls we have these combinations. So required number of ways is equivalent to out of 3 black balls 1 we have to select 3C1 into 6 non-black balls. So out of 6 2 non-black balls are chosen. So 3C1 into 6C2. Similarly, 2 black and 1 non-black is a combination out of 3 and 6. 3C2 into 6C1 plus 3 black balls out of 3. So 3C3, we get 64. Question number 10 gives, in how many ways a committee consisting of 5 men and 6 women can be formed from 8 men and 10 women? This problem is also same as in the previous questions. Here the required number of ways is equivalent to, out of 8 men we have to choose 5 men, and out of 10 women we have to choose 6 women. So the combination out of 8 we have to choose 5 is taken as 8C5 into 10C6. That is equivalent to 8C3 into 10C4. For our easy simplification, we have to take 8C5 as 8C3 and 10C6 as 10C4. We get 11,760. Next question. In how many ways can the letters of the word leader, L-E-A-D-E-R, be arranged? The word leader contains 6 letters, namely 1 L, 2 times E, 1 time A, and 1 times D, and 1 time R. So required number of ways is equal to totally 6 letter, which gives 6 factorial, divided by how many times the letters are repeated are taken as 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial into 1 factorial is equivalent to 360. Next question is that in a group of 6 boys and 4 girls, 4 children are to be selected. In how many different ways can they be selected such that at least one boy should be there? Solution: we have to select the combinations like 1 boy and 3 girls, or 2 boys and 2 girls, or 3 boys and 1 girl, or 4 boys. So the required number of ways is equivalent to totally 6 boys and 4 girls and 4 children. So we have to select the combination as out of 6 boys, out of 4 girls, and out of 4 children. So 6C1 into 4C3 plus 6C2 into 4C2 plus 6C3 into 4C1 plus 6C4 is equivalent to 209. Next question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word corporation, C-O-R-P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N, be arranged so that the vowels always come together? In the word corporation, we treat the vowels O, O, A, I, O as one letter, and we have the consonants C, R, P, R, T, N. This has 7 letters because 6 consonants, so 6 plus 1 letters, of which R occurs 2 times and the rest are different. So the number of ways arranging these letters is equivalent to 7 letters, so 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial because R repeated 2 times, equivalent to 2520. Now we see the combination for vowels. 5 vowels in which O occurs 3 times and the rest are different can be arranged in totally 5 vowels. So 5 factorial divided by O occurs 3 times, so 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial is equivalent to 20 ways. So the required number of ways is equivalent to 2520 into 20 is equivalent to 50,400. Let's move on to the next question. Out of 7 consonants and 4 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? Number of ways of selecting 3 consonants out of 7 and 2 vowels out of 4 is equivalent to 7C3 into 4C2 is equivalent to 210. Number of groups each having 3 consonants and 2 vowels we have to form is equal to 210. Each group contains 5 letters. The number of ways of arranging 5 letters among themselves equivalent to 5 factorial, because each group contains 5 letters is equivalent to 120. Required number of ways is equivalent to 210 into 120 is equivalent to 25,200. This is my reference for preparing this video.